Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to be filming a day in my life. I actually have a few things going on today, and my workload in school isn't too heavy. So I'm just going to show you guys my morning and my after school and what I do to study basically. I'm really sorry for the hair. It's it was up in a bun. Now it's just kind of like a spread out bun. But yeah, so I'm just gonna actually get ready now real quick. Then I'm gonna leave, and hopefully if I have enough time, I want to go to QT and get some coffee, some Starbucks coffee, because I really need it. So hopefully if I have time, I want to definitely do that for sure. I'm also taking a makeup quiz today because I missed the day that we took a quiz. I already studied, I already read the book last night, so it's gonna be all good. Hopefully it's not too hard though. So yeah. What you doing? Hi.
Oh, that's definitely Emily, yeah.
You guys think
Hey guys, so I just got out of school. So the video footages you guys saw previous to this video clip, those were short and really low, and the reason that they were so low is because we're not allowed to use our phones in class and stuff. So I was trying, except for the second class that I was in, which was AP US History. That's the only class we're allowed to use our phones in. So that's why I just showed you guys the rest with the rest of the clips were just low footages of people talking in the background. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what classes I go to on a daily basis, because I'm gonna end up putting a little caption there, basically saying what class it is that I'm in, so you guys have an idea. So right now, since I just got off school, I'm heading to the nail salon to get a pedicure, because I don't get pedicures often. And really quickly, sorry for the bad lighting, the sun's just being really awkward right now. But yeah, I'm going to get a pedicure right now. I don't really ever get pedicures. I get my nails done, but I don't really get pedicures. So I'm really excited. I probably do them once a year maybe. But when I do, I do one of the deluxe ones, because I feel like it's really nice, comforting, and relaxing, and it's just really rejuvenating. So that's why I really like to do those. So yeah, I'm really excited to get a pedicure. Then I have to go home and study, unfortunately, and do homework and all that fun stuff. So yeah, and I will see you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys, so after a long day, I'm finally laying in bed. basically after my pedicure, I literally just came home and started watching TV. So I figured I'd just end the vlog here since I didn't really do homework. Mainly because when I got home, I realized I didn't have any homework to do. So right now, I'm just gonna get ready for bed and watch some more TV and then just go to sleep because I'm exhausted. And I'm also gonna be editing this video as soon as I'm done getting ready while I'm watching like TV and stuff before sleeping. Like, my makeup looks like trash. It's like all the way down here. Like, I promise my dark circles aren't this like bad usually. It's like the makeup starting to smear down. But yeah, like, I'm really, really tired in case you guys couldn't tell. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here and I'm gonna edit this so that you guys can watch it either tonight or tomorrow. Hopefully I can get up tonight, but I don't know. I'm really tired. And I always have to remember to look here and not here, because I always forget where to look. But this is the right place to look. So yeah, I'll have to remember that. But yeah, I'm gonna just get ready for bed and finish editing this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.